Okay, y'all, I got a package from Mewaii, and I thought they were sending me one of these, but they sent me 6. They are the mystery ones. They are all from the mushroom family, so I have no idea what they are, but they literally... sent me 6. So yeah, let's just open and see what we got. Oh, I should have got a knife or scissors. Oh, it came with a keychain. Stop, that's so cute. Oh. Okay, here is the first one. It is the panda bear one. Came with a little keychain. Okay. This one came with the same keychain. I'm pretty sure there's different ones, but it's just a matter of what you happen to get. Oh, how cute is it? I believe this one is the little fox. Look how cute he is. Oh, he's got a little star on him. Ooh, we got a different one. Okay. Oh, he's so smushed. I'm guessing, I don't know what he is. Maybe some type of bear. Open. Okay, my dog is here now. The next one I open will be for her. So let's see what you get. Okay. It's a watermelon cow. Okay. Here it is. Oh, look. Okay, you go ahead. Take it. Go ahead. Now, can I show the camera really fast? Hold on. Can you see? Okay. I opened to peek in these. One of them I have 2 of, so I'm gonna let her get the second one of this one because she's really excited, but the last one I'm gonna keep away from her, so I'll open this one. It is the bear again. Do you want this one? Come here. Okay, let me take the tag off. There you go. My 4th one of these keychains. Okay, I have moved spots. She's on the bed playing with the other 2. I'm gonna try to open this one and not get caught. It's quite hard. It's so loud. Okay, now I have 2 of these little pink ones and 4 of the green ones. She threw the other one over there, so now she ran to get it. And now she's bringing it into the room, so I'm so sorry. She loves stuffed animals, and she hates, like, dog toys because they make noises. She likes just soft ones. Oh, the little dog. Look how cute he is. Oh, adorable. Okay, thank you so much, Mewaii. We love you in this house. We literally have so many different Mewaii stuffed animals and just cute little things because not only do I love them, but my dog loves a stuffed animal. She not even plays with them, she like lays with them. They sent us one of the long like circular cats, and that's literally what she lays on at night as her pillow. So I'll insert some footage of her playing, but yeah, thank you. She has officially taken all 6 of them, and this is where we're at. She plays with one till she drops it. Hey, are you being nice? Are you so excited? Oh, what did you get? I know, it's the camera, huh? What do you have? Oh, what a good girl. Thank you.